Paradise suddenly turned into a trap. Sanya, the seaside jewel of Hainan Island, usually synonymous with sunshine and tropical serenity, suddenly found itself facing a colossal threat. Nestled at the southern tip of the island, the city felt the air grow heavy with electricity as a typhoon of staggering power unleashed its invisible yet relentless winds along the shores. Local authorities wasted no time in responding. A maximum alert level was issued. All tourist facilities shut their doors. Public transport was suspended, and residents received strict instructions to remain indoors. Thousands were urged to evacuate areas at risk of flooding. As the storm drew closer, the city's infrastructure shuddered under the assault of gales and torrential rains. The sustained winds reached hurricane-level intensity, forcing residents to take every precaution, taping windows, reinforcing shutters. The sky darkened, clouds rumbled, thick drops pierced through blinds, roofs shook, and the ground trembled beneath an atmosphere radiating with energy. Nightfall brought an oppressive gloom. Electricity flickered, then failed. Whole districts sank into silence. Poles bent and collapsed. The city was left without light or connections. Communications faltered. Fortunately, emergency networks clung to a fragile thread of resilience, allowing rescue teams to maintain contact with the outside world. At dawn, the storm drifted away, but its scars remained. More than 100,000 people were affected. Entire sectors were paralyzed by impassable roads, destroyed facilities, and fractured communications. A human tide rose in response. Soldiers, armed, police, firefighters, and civilian volunteers converged to clear main routes, restore power, and drain stagnant water. Local party officials mobilized to oversee the cleanup, removing branches, pumping puddles, and hauling away debris that clogged the streets. The storm, though fleeting, revealed a sobering fragility. A modern coastal city can nearly be broken by the breath of an unleashed nature. Yet it also showed a city capable of rising again. thanks to the coordination between authorities, essential forces, and its citizens. The account becomes a testament to vigilance, collective courage, and rigorous preparedness in the face of increasingly frequent and unpredictable tempests.
从我身边擦肩而过啊！赶快啊！把窗打开！
The great miracle was that no deaths were reported. This relief was celebrated by the authorities, who highlighted the speed and efficiency of the precautionary measures taken in advance. Despite the physical devastation, human strength and organizational resolve had prevented the worst. Gradually, the transport network came back to life. The main airport resumed flights. Ports reopened. Buses cautiously returned to damp but cleared roads. Tourist areas, frozen only hours before, stirred back to life, symbols of a progressive return to normality.
这么大的树都能零根拔起，我嚟呀，那车还能压啊？哦，还就沉喺坐咯。
哦，这几辆好整齐哦，整整齐齐的。